So what we have is, in first case, it's a cube b square whole power 3, right? So this power is coming on both into ये भी 2 cube आ जाएगा. It's a square cube and b cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we simplify it. It's a cube into b power 6 into that be 8. A raised power raised to power will be multiplied. So it is a 6 into b cube. So then we are going to multiply it. It's 8 a raised to the power 9 b raised to the power 9. That is your final answer for this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, G. So for the next question, it says c square d square into that will be minus 5 square c cube power to d cube square. Okay. So that is going to be c square d square into minus 5 square will be 25 because we know that power अगर total है तो सब पे आ जाएगी. Okay. In indices there is a rule that goes in this way that if a b whole power n, this is going to be a raised to the power n and b raised to the power n. So an or bn आपके पास ये हो जाएगा. So you see this power 2 will be distributed in all numbers. So 25 into c raised to the power 6 d power क्या हो जाएगा 3 and 2 6. We know that power raised to the power. So if it is a raised to the power m whole power n, what is the rule? Power की power multiply हो जाती है. So it is going to be mn. Okay. Next is 8 square e raised to the power 5 है इसका square आ जाएगा. It is f cube square divided by e cube whole cube and this is f cube. So it is 64 e raised to the power 10 f raised to the power 6 divided by e raised to the power 9 f raised to the power 3. Okay. And by the way, in division cases, it's very easy. 64 e power 10 f raised to the power 6 divided raised to the power 9 f power 3. अब क्या करना है इनको न्यूमरेटर में ले जाना है. It is 64 e raised to the power 10 minus 9 and f raised to the power 6 minus 3. That is 64 e power 1 into f raised to the power 3. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try some questions with fractions, and this is 2a square divided by b bracket square is on a, okay, into a divided by b square और bracket के ऊपर ये square है. We know that whenever we have this situation, it's a divided by b whole power n. तो ये बेटा a power n divided by b power n आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? This power is distributed on both numerator and denominator. So now it is 2a square divided by b into that is a square divided by b पावर क्या हो जाएगा पावर की पावर बल्कि मैं
4.
डायरेक्ट नहीं कर b power 2 whole power 2 right so it is 2a square divided by b into a square divided by b raised to the power 4 now it's 2a raised to the power 4 divided by b raised to the power 5 ठीक है that is our final answer अच्छा बेटा याद रख लें क्वेश्चन में उसने हमेशा कहना है कि एक्सप्रेस इट अप टू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म तो जब भी कटिंग हो सकती है तो आपने ट्राई करना है अदरवाइज उसके बाद रुक जाना है ठीक है नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ it's 3e cube divided by x square that raised to the power 4 divided by 27 e raised to the power 9 divided by f raised to the power 11 okay now first of all we are going to solve first bracket that is with power 4 तो इसको हम कर लेते हैं it is 3 raised to the power 4 it's e cube power 4 divided by f square power 4 you can directly you can like skip this step as well लेकिन अभी हम कह रहे हैं कि जरा simplify करके आप इसको देख लें divided by f raised to the power 11 now this is 3 power 4 3 3s are 9 27 and 81 e raised to the power raised to the power क्या हो जाएगा शहीर when we have a power m whole power and power के ऊपर power हो what it will be a raised to the power mn it is always multiplied right so it's 12 divided by power raised to the power f raised to the power 4 to the 8 divided by it's like 27 e power 9 divided by f raised to the power 11 now in next step what we are going to do is we are going to simplify it by flipping the second bracket you can see this division sign so it is 81 e raised to the power 12 divided by f raised to the power 8 into f raised to the power 11 divided by 27 e power 9 ठीक है तो हमने न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर को मुड़ के न्यूमरेटर बना दिए राइट दैट इज इक्वल टू 81 e power 12 f power 11 in numerator divided by 27 e power 9 f power 8 it is so now we can cancel it by 3 27 3s are e raised to the power 12 minus 9 f raised to the power 11 minus 8 because we know that if we have a power m divided by a power n that is always equal to a raised to the power m minus n okay Saad is that clear beta
Yes, sir.
into f raised to the power 3 so 3e cube f cube is our final answer for this case ठीक हो गया अच्छा इसके बाद जो चीज हमने देखनी होती है दैट इज फॉर जीरो एंड नेगेटिव इंडिसेस ओके दैट इज जीरो एंड नेगेटिव इंडिसेस नेक्स्ट हेडिंग भी zero and negative indices we know that anything power 0 is always equal to 1 and second negative this is a raised to the power minus n will always become a raised to the power n ठीक है यानी कि अगर आपके पास लिखा हुआ है 3 raised to the power minus 4 you can easily it is 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 4 when we take it to the denominator इसका sign change हो जाएगा and anything power 0 is 1. अच्छा यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही important note लिख दें, difference between 5a power 0 and 5a whole power 0. Okay, 5a 0 and 5a whole power 0. So 5a power 0, this whole thing will become 1. तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 5, that is equal to 5. 5a whole power 0 will make it 1, because in second, in later part, 5a whole power 0, ये whole power 0 आ रहा है, that's why it's 1. So 5 into a power 0, that is 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. I hope you got it, right? So here are some questions. -2 by 7 power 0, 4a power 0, we just did it, and 72 cd square power 0. So let's solve it. अब first में 17 power 0 क्या आ जाएगा, ये simply 1 हो जाएगा, that is will be all this 1. a power 0 would be 1, so answer would be 4. This whole power 0 is 1. अच्छा इसमें क्या होगा, e power 8 whole power 0, so anything power 0 is always 1, that is equal to 7. ठीक हो गया जी. Now let's discuss some negative powers. Yes guys, can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next part, it is going to be -7 power -3. Okay. Now, question you will be getting would be evaluate so 7 raised to the power -3. We know that 7 raised to the power -3 can be written as 1 divided by 7 cube. That is equal to 1 divided by 7 sevens are 39, 9 sevens are 343. So when they evaluate, that means you need to write exact value, actual value के उसके आंसर क्या आ रहा है, ठीक है? So we have 3 divided by 4 power -2. ये जरा आप लोग ट्राई करें जल्दी से. 5 divided by 3 power -1. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे, पहले तो ये पावर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर पे लगाएंगे. 3 power -2 divided by 4 raised to the power -2. Now this will come in denominator and this will go in numerator. That will be 4 square divided by 3 square, that is equal to 16 divided by 9, right? Similarly, in this case, this is 5 raised to the power -1 divided by 3 raised to the power -1. Again, it's going to be 3 divided by 5. ठीक है? So, is that clear? Negative और अगर हमारे पास negative power आ जाए और anything power 0, that's how we solve it. Okay, so any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll cover the whole topic in a couple of lectures, so see you tomorrow inshallah. इतना जो किया है वो सारे प्लीज आप लोगों ने अच्छे तरीके से रिवाइज कर लेना है, ठीक है? I'll be sharing worksheets with you people as well. So see you tomorrow inshallah. Allah Hafiz.